can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently trades above $112,000. Over the last 1 month, Bitcoin has declined by 5.4%. The big one is that on the yearly time frame, Bitcoin is up 88.4%. In this video, we'll look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. When is this rally going to end? Bitcoin has been pumping since the 7th of April 2025. We have seen it rally to as high as $124,000. Can we go higher than that? Is the bull market over? Are we gearing up for a big dump to goblin town? We'll look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market. It has been dumping since June. Should we expect further decline in Bitcoin dominance? Then we'll look at Bitcoin's market cap and look at some news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Bitcoin trend reversal to 118k or another drop to 105k. Which comes next? The bulls and the bears are violently predicting where the market will go. The bulls and the bears are anticipating Bitcoin's next move, because Bitcoin over the last 1 week, guys, have been going sideways. Bitcoin over the last 1 month has basically been teasing market participants. We saw Bitcoin trading around the $111,000 level for the first time in May of 2025. There was great in the cryptocurrency market then. Market participants were singing Kumbaya. It was all happiness in the market. But guys, since then, we have seen Bitcoin go to as low as $97,000. That was in June of 2025. And we've seen Bitcoin rally to as high as $125,000. First got to $122,000 on the 14th of June. And on the 14th of August, we increased our all-time highs by like $2,000. Right now, Bitcoin over the last 97 days is basically trading on the $112,000 support level, which is keeping so many market participants uneasy. They are already used to Bitcoin rallying aggressively to higher prices. If you zoom out and see what Bitcoin has done over the last few years, we have just been chugging to higher prices. We have just been pumping, and the last few months I've seen Bitcoin even ramp up that pump when a lot of altcoins and Ethereum were going down. We saw Bitcoin just chugging up to higher prices. But it looks like there's a shift right now in the cryptocurrency market, because even though market participants are expecting Bitcoin to break new all-time highs, to continue pumping, or to dump to goblin town, if you look at the numbers, Bitcoin literally has less room to run from where Bitcoin is currently trading right now. Let's run a little experiment. If Bitcoin is going to, let's assume, $150,000 from where we're currently trading, and that's one of the price target a lot of bulls are talking about. For Bitcoin to rally $150,000, we need to see Bitcoin pumping by 33%. For context sake, Bitcoin giving us a 33% pump will mean Bitcoin will rally harder than when it did from the 22nd of June to the all-time highs, which was just a 26% pump, and it took us about 60 days. Another important thing I've been hearing going around the cryptocurrency market is that market participants are expecting us to pump in September, to dump in November, to pump in September, pump in October, maybe dump in November, 4-year cycle, yada, yada, yada. Guys, nobody can predict the future. What we're only looking at is the chart right now, and the chart is telling us Bitcoin is going through some distribution patterns. If you look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market right now, the bulls and the bears are neutral. They can't decide where the market is heading. The bulls believe the market is bullish. The bears believe the market is bearish. Even though Bitcoin is trading above $112,000, at some point in time in the nearest future, one of these parties are going to win. I favor the bears winning. I favor Bitcoin dumping to goblin town, because right now I believe altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin. Historically, that has led to the end of a Bitcoin market cycle. Since the 14th of August 2025, we've seen sentiments go down. We've seen Bitcoin go from greed to neutral sentiment. In the coming days and coming weeks, I will expect to see that trend reversal, but I'm not going to be sure Bitcoin will be setting new all-time highs anytime soon. when Bitcoin starts dumping, when Bitcoin dominance starts dumping, historically, that is the end of a market cycle. And if you look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, it's nothing to write home about. Bitcoin dominance has been on a decline since the 23rd of June 2025. Right now, we're 63 days into that decline. I'll be shocked if in the coming days and the coming weeks we see more decline in Bitcoin dominance. The primary target is still the 50% region for Bitcoin dominance. If Bitcoin dominance will dump there from where we're currently trading, we'll see Bitcoin dominance lose around 12% of its value. Now, if you take a look at the total cryptocurrency market cap, which is at $3.8 trillion, one important signal to watch out for is if we see the total crypto market cap pumping to new all-time highs with Ethereum, with other altcoins, with Bitcoin failing to join in that party, guys, that will be a telltale sign that the party is over. That'll be a telltale sign for you to run to the hills. But right now, we're still waiting for that retracement rally. Right now, we're still waiting for the next move from the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin trading around $112,000 with a market cap of $2.23 billion, the all-time high for Bitcoin. Just came in on the 14th of August 2025, traded for as high as $124,000, 400. If you look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market, over the last 24 hours, the bulls and the bears have been battling it out. The bulls have lost $152 million. The bears are down $96 million. One thing to avoid at the ending phase of this market cycle, guys, is leverage. The higher we go, the more market participants are getting uneasy. The slower Bitcoin starts pumping at higher prices, the more people try to amplify their gains by using leverage. You can easily get liquidated at the top of the market cycle. Huge volatility. We can easily see a huge pump to the moon. At the same time, you won't be shocked if that huge pump eventually leads to a huge dump in Goblin Town. I'll be expecting Bitcoin dominance to dump. I'll be expecting the price of Bitcoin to go on a retracement rally. What will that retracement rally look like for Bitcoin? I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin heading back to the $120,000 level. And maybe we can get to new all-time highs, but the $120,000 level will be very pivotal. That's where a lot of smart players will start selling out for some sweet profit. Over the last few months, big whales have been selling. Big whales that were smart enough to buy Bitcoin in 2011. Right now, they are selling for some sweet profit. So you have to ask yourself that $1 million question. If they bought in 2011 and they're selling at over $100,000, they bought it at less than $1,000. The people that are buying Bitcoin right now, when are they going to sell for some sweet profit? And what do they know that other people don't know? If you look at momentum in the cryptocurrency market for Bitcoin, you can see that momentum has been reducing since April of 2024. We have seen Bitcoin in 2024 get to as high as $76,000. That's the highest value the RSI got. In December, when Bitcoin got above that to as high as over $100,000, we saw momentum indicator that the RSI reducing. And right now in 2025, even though Bitcoin has gotten to as high as $124,000, this is the lowest reading in the 3 peaks we have seen on the RSI. So I'll not be shocked if Bitcoin over the next few weeks is topping, even though market participants are still expecting higher prices, even though market participants are still calling for the continuation of a bull market. Maybe, just maybe, we are at the end. Maybe, just maybe, we're waiting for that dump in Goblin Town. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Do you believe Bitcoin will go to $105,000 before $118,000? Or do you think we're going to get to new all-time highs? Market participants are divided. Where do you stand? Are you a bull or a bear? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.